Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be installing some cargo area seat back protectors. They attach to the back of the seats with Velcro. It's a 4-piece set. They fit perfectly. You can still use the tie downs in the seat backs. You can still fold the seats flat, open them up. They look really nice as well. They've got a design that looks very similar to the design within the Bronco. And then they also match the cargo area liner in a previous video of mine. So let's go check them out.
A big thank you to Caresa for providing the product for this video. This set is made from a thermoplastic elastomer and it comes in 4 separate pieces. It has cutouts in it so you can still use the seat back tie downs. The back side of each panel is covered in Velcro, so it's not going to go anywhere once it's installed. Each piece is really easy to install. Just line it up and lay it down, pat it flat, make sure the Velcro adheres. And just repeat the process for each piece. Make sure you line it up carefully and press it down good. And here I'm showing you that you can still use the split fold seats without any issues at all. It fits really nicely and gives you a lot more protection on the seat backs.
So there you go, another really easy install. Lay the seats down flat, place the protectors on top of the seats. They're held in place with Velcro. They're waterproof, they're impact resistant, they keep all the dog hair off of the back of your seats. I give them a thumbs up. I think they're great. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.